If you want to get access to new features in Opera before everyone else, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to turn it on. Opera includes an early access option that lets you try out upcoming tools and features as soon as they're available for testing, and the whole process only takes a few seconds. If this video helps, please go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump straight into it. First, open the Opera browser on your computer. Once Opera is open, look to the top left corner and click on the Opera logo. This is where you'll find the main browser menu and the settings options you need. From the menu, click on Settings. This will open Opera's main settings page, where you can customize the browser and unlock hidden and experimental features. Now scroll through the settings until you find the Early Bird toggle. This option is what gives you access to new features before they roll out to everyone else. Turn the Early Bird toggle on. Once it's enabled, Opera will prepare the browser to start using the latest feature updates. After that, you'll need to click the Relaunch option. This step is important because Opera has to restart in order for the change to take effect, so go ahead and relaunch the browser when prompted. Once Opera opens again, the setting will be active, and from now onwards, you should get access to new features in Opera as they become available. That's all there is to it. You've now enabled early access in Opera, and you can start exploring new features sooner than most users. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.